Ready to chat smarter on Janitor AI? Let's set up DeepSeek using a simple proxy in under a minute. First, let's grab your API key from OpenRouter. Head over to openrouter.ai and sign up. It's quick with Google or email. Once you're in, click your profile icon up top and choose Keys. Now hit the blue plus Create Key button. Give your key a name like Janitor AI Key, leave the rest blank, and click Create. Copy your new key and keep it somewhere safe. You won't see the full key again. Next, hop back to your Janitor AI chat. Open the API settings by clicking the three dots, then head to the Proxy section and select plus Add Configuration. Fill in the details. Give it a name. Use DeepSeek/DeepSeek Chat v30324 free for the model, and paste in https://openrouter.ai/ap/v1/chat/completions for the proxy URL. Paste your API key, hit Save Settings, and say no to resetting the temperature. Refresh Janitor AI, and you're set. Start chatting with DeepSeek easily and securely.